So what we'll be doing now is we'll be doing some quick features on our athletes that are competing in the Olympics. We'll start, of course, with the Queen, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, aka the Pocket Rocket or Mommy Rocket. All right, guys, let's go. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, a Jamaican track and field sprinter who competes in the 100 meters and 200 meters, widely regarded as one of the greatest sprinters of all time, if not the best female sprinter of all time. She became the fastest woman alive in 2021 after running 10.63 seconds in the 100 meters in Kingston, Jamaica. Fraser-Pryce has helped to elevate Jamaican athletics on the international scene. In the 100 meters, her signature event, she is a two-time Olympic gold medalist and a four-time world champion. In the 200 meters, she has won an Olympic silver medal and a world championship gold. She has won 6 Olympic medals, 2 gold, 3 silver, and 1 bronze. Fraser-Pryce also has 11 world championship medals, 9 gold, and 2 silver. So that was our quick feature on Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, aka Mommy Rocket. Just want to say the best of luck as the Tokyo Olympics get underway, and we'll be hoping to carry home as much medals as possible. Now, guys, remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.